Welcome to TechTalkEnglish. Here is a lot you must know before applying for KTET examination. KTET 2026 is just around the corner and the rules have changed. So stick around to this video. Here you know everything about KTET exam. KTET exam is mainly divided into 4 main categories. You can choose your category according to your educational qualifications. Let us examine each one. First is category 1. This is for those who want to teach in lower primary, that is classes from 1 to 5. Basic qualification for this is plus 2 and TTC. Then what is DLED? It is Diploma in Elementary Education. It is a professional degree program that prepares students to work as a primary and upper primary teachers in schools. In Kerala, this was earlier known as TTC, that is Teachers Training Certificate. Completing DLED makes you eligible for primary teachers or to work as a primary teacher, but at the same time, now it is mandatory to appear for or to pass eligibility tests, that is CTET or KTET, that is Central Teachers Eligibility Test, or KTET, that is Kerala Teachers Eligibility Test. Now let us come to category 2. This second category is for the teachers from class 6 to 8, that is upper primary, with degree and BEd, and TTC can also write this exam. Next category is category 3, that is HS section. This is for those who want to teach in class 8 to 10. Those who have a degree and BEd in the relevant subject can opt for this category. Number 4. This is for specialist teachers. This category is for physical education, art and craft, as well as language teachers like Urdu, Hindi, Arabic, etc. Now let us examine the examination pattern. There are MCQs or objective type questions in each category that carries 150 marks. And the examination duration is 2.5 hours. Each correct answer gets 1 marks. There is no negative mark for the incorrect answers. Once you qualify, the KTET certificate is valid for lifetime. Regarding the frequency of examination, this exam is held twice a year and it is probably in June and September. And to pass the exam, the candidate must meet the criteria that the general category candidate should score 90 out of 150 marks. SC, ST, OBC or other physically handicapped candidate should score 55%, that is 82 out of 150 marks. The new KTET December 2025 notification has been released by Kerala Parisha Bhavan. You can apply it from December 22 2025 to December 30, 2025, and download admit card from 11th February 2026 onwards. The examination dates falls on 21 and 23 2026. 21st February 2026 session is from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. That is for category 1 lower primary teachers. 23rd February 2026 session will be from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. That is for category 3 HS section. Next, we can see how to apply online. Applications are accepted only through the official portal ktet.kerala.gov.in. 5 things are mandatory here. First one is click on the new registration tab and agree to the terms. Secondly, enter your personal details and educational qualifications correctly. If you are applying for multiple categories, you should do it in a single application. Third one is uploading the photo. Upload a recent passport-sized photograph in JPG format. The size of the photo should be within 20 KB to 30 KB. You can use the GIMP software to resize your photo. If you don't know how to resize it, please comment on the comment section and I can do a video on it. Number 4 is payment section. You have to pay the fees online. General and OBC candidates should pay 500 as fees. SC, ST, PH candidates should pay 250 rupees as their fees. Fifth one is taking final printout. After filling the application, ensure that you have downloaded and saved the application ID and number for future logins. Take a piece of paper and write down these 5 areas and please put a tick mark after every section is finished. Remember to keep application ID and number for future logins. Next is the syllabus overview of KTET examination. Each category has 150 questions. Here I can show you the breakdown of subjects. For category 1, child development and pedagogy, mathematics, environmental studies, language 1 and language 2 each carries 30 marks. For category 2, child development and pedagogy, 30 marks, language 1 and 2 30 marks, and subject specific, that is science, maths or social science, carries 60 marks. Category 3, high school, adolescent psychology and teaching aptitude carries together 40 marks, language 1 30 marks, and subject specific content and pedagogy 80 marks. Category number 4, that is specialist category, that child development and pedagogy, 30 marks, language 30 marks, and specialist subject content and pedagogy 90 marks. BTech graduates are also eligible provided they have a teaching qualification as per Kerala education rules. B.Ed or D.Ed students can also apply if they can provide a certificate from their head of the institution or college during the time of verification. So, remember to check your subject to ensure that your B.Ed subject matches for the category you are applying for. Keep in mind that if you have both a degree and B.Ed, you can apply for both second and third category in the same application form. Please remember that. Keep in mind the portal closes on 30th December 2025. 30th December 2025. Now I am coming to the checklist and documents that you have to prepare before, that you have to keep in hand before applying for the KTET examination. A passport size photograph with dimensions of 150 and 200 pixels, colored background showing your face clearly, a signature with similar dimensions and size, your Aadhaar card to give the Aadhaar card number, your SSLC certificate to prove your name and date of birth, higher secondary or plus 2 degree mark lists or certificates, your degree and PG certificates and mark lists, professional qualification certificates to give register number and year of passing. If you are claiming any fee relaxation, you should keep your community or disability certificate, a valid email ID and mobile number. These are mandatory for receiving your application ID and number. Online payment tools are necessary, that is debit card, credit card or net banking. You should have a printer access to download your application final confirmation. And finally, for a smooth application, I can give you 3 more tips. Use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on a laptop or desktop computer for more easy compatibility. Please avoid application in mobile. Next is single application, that is, if you are applying for both second and third categories, apply in the same application, don't apply separately. Next important thing is check status. If your status doesn't update immediately, use the SBI ePay payment status check link on the home page instead of paying again. Next is about the correction in application. Application correction is only allowed after the portal closes, after the registration window closes. Okay, enough for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. Subscribe for the next video that is going to be dealt with the syllabus clearly. Thanks for watching.